AI is creating more millionaires than ever before, and this year is the year to catch it. So if you've not started, the best time is now. So in this video, I'm going to show you 5 proven ways you can make money with AI, even if you are not a developer or a technical person. Hello, my name is Grace, and I'm the founder and lead AI consultant at Automaticah, where we help business leverage AI to scale, to grow, and to increase revenue. Whether you want a side hustle, a new income stream, or want to scale your business, these 5 AI strategies are where the money is in 2025 and beyond. So tap in right now and don't miss number 5. So the first one is AI-powered digital services, more like freelancing, working on Upwork or Fiverr as an AI expert. So what can you do as a freelancer with your digital services? You can offer AI automation, AI content creation, or AI marketing as a service. A lot of people are using AI to generate videos for companies. You could go into that line, especially if you are very in love with making videos. People use AI to create movie trailers. People use AI to create ads, marketing ads. There was an ad that was made with Google VO3 that made billions of dollars for an organization. That is what people are doing. Now, if that ad could make billions of dollars, imagine how much they will pay for the person that generated that ad using AI. So it is actually a very lucrative aspect of AI skill that you can have, using AI to generate images for business owners, small business owners, to create videos, to create ads, to you can also go into AI automation, and these are ways you can make money in 2025 and beyond. With AI automation, Automaticah has helped founders increase their revenue and save up to 20+ hours per week with AI automation. You can also do the same. So number 2 way you can make money with AI is AI content creation for YouTube, TikTok, and blogs. So what do I mean? You can use AI to script, edit, or even generate videos that make ad revenue on YouTube. I'm very sure you must have been seeing a lot of AI videos flying around. The point is that, is the video educative? Yes. Do people watch it? Yes. And those channels are making thousands of dollars in revenue from YouTube by creating AI videos that are educative, that are fun, that are just, mesmerizing to human eyes. You can go in niche like health, finance, children and parenting, and a lot more. And you can use tools like Opus Clip, Runway, OpenArt. There are a lot of AI platforms you can actually use to make videos. I can do a video particularly on platforms to create AI videos, but this video is more like how you can make money with AI. Third way you can make money with AI is AI-powered online products and templates. I use super good with AI. You can record videos to teach people how to use AI. Post it, sell your course. You can write books on how to use AI. You can write ebooks on prompts, different prompts that generate different results for anybody that wants to use ChatGPT, Claude, DeepSeek, and a lot more. This one has high profit margin. This is because once you create it, you can just continue selling for multiple or thousands of people without even having to edit it or anything. While AI do the work for you, you have already recorded course or written the book or created pack, and you are good to go. This is another way you can make money with AI. The fourth way you can make money with AI is AI software as a service and automation tools. Even though this might be more particular to developers, this is a very good way for developers to make money. Building AI software as a service and automation tools, like building low-code AI tools using platforms like Bubble, Make, ChatGPT APIs, and a lot more. You can build solutions that can be used by other businesses, other companies, other freelancers, other cybersecurity experts, or anybody in your field to save their time and money while they give you money in return for using your tool or your product. That is a very good way to make money. This one is more like a B2B kind of making money, and it's one of the best ways to make the big money with AI. And to the last one, I told you never to miss the point 5, is AI consulting and training. I do this a lot. This is because a lot of business owners don't even know how to implement AI in their business. They are confused. A lot of them go and just follow the trend, and in the long run lose money, lose time, lose resources, and they are frustrated. So if you are super good with AI, you know AI strategy, like at Automaticah, we audit for businesses and tell them the different AI solutions that can help them increase money and increase revenue and save their time, because a lot of business owners don't know where AI can come in their businesses. So they just use AI as a macro tasker, and some of them, they've just gone with a trend, implemented what is not particular to their business, and in the long run wasted money. So if you're so good with AI strategy and you have in-depth knowledge, let's say as an AI researcher, you can definitely do consultations and training for business owners or individuals on how they can use AI to better their life and make more money as a business or as an individual. The demand for AI skills, AI solution is fast approaching. Businesses that don't have AI solutions or AI working for them will be left behind. Why? Because businesses that have implemented AI will be moving 10 times faster than the ones without AI, which means that those are the people that customers will go to, clients will go to, and the ones without AI are quite slow and customers will leave them behind, which means they are losing money, they are losing time, and might actually fold up and lose to the people that are implementing AI. So this is why these skills, strategies are very, very important. And if you have these AI skills, it is important that you offer them as a service to businesses, to companies, to individuals as a whole. Here's a bonus tip. Mix multiple strategies for exponential growth. You can actually start with freelancing, then package some of your best workflows to sell to businesses, and then as you grow in your knowledge, you could start offering consultation because you've actually worked with different businesses, know how to implement things and a lot more, and grow from there. So start with one, you can expand to the other, and you can just start with one and stick with it. But make sure that as the AI wave moves, it's very important that you are in the know and you are not left behind. If you're still confused and you want to start making money with AI in 2025 and beyond, I have created a free guide on 7 AI income streams. I mentioned 5 here. 7 AI income streams with the tools I recommend. You can use the link in the description to download this free guide. If this video has helped you and has opened your eyes to more ways to make money with AI, please kindly share with your friends, comment, let me know what stood out for you, and like this video. Make it go viral, because a lot of people need to know how to make money with AI in this year and beyond. So thank you for watching. See you in my next video.